Alright guys, so what I'm doing is, so I got my little camera right here, and if you look right down in there, you can see there's a piece of wood right there. That's a piece of wood right there. So what we're going to do, that's down this very first cylinder right here. So now we're going to take the vacuum. Let's see if I got it. Did I get it? Did I get it? It looks like I did. Oh yeah. I definitely got it. It's I can see some crap down into there, especially behind the push rod right there. So we're gonna go into that one. We're gonna come down here and check it. Still see a little bit of crap in there, but it don't look bad though. Let me see if I can turn the brightness of it down. So okay, that puts that pitch black. So let's see, we can try to zoom in, see what exactly that is back there. Yeah. Let's see. For the next one, we're gonna move on to the next one. That right down in there. That one looks fine. Next. That one. I see a little piece of stick right there at the bottom left hand of the screen. Right there. So we're gonna vacuum that up. Now we're gonna take another peek. And I don't see anything anymore, so that means we got it. So we're cool there. I'm gonna just move on, do the same exact thing, but on this side, you guys will be able to see the camera. It gives you a long way, so that's kind of helpful. Just trying to. Sorry, I'm all over the place with the camera right now. But I'm just trying to get everything set it up to where I can start looking on that side. Okay, we can try it like that. So, coming down to that one, I need a little bit more cord, a little bit more length. Right there, what is that? I'm trying to adjust my camera some. Okay, that's my spark plug right there. I thought that was something pretty crazy, but it's kind of weird how you can only see it in that one. Yeah, that's my spark right there. That right there's my spark plug. But then, why can I not see it in this one? Maybe if I go to the next one over here, can I see it? No, I can't see it in that one. And I can't see it in that one. How crazy is that? Right there. I'm gonna try to get more down in there. Which really won't let me. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so. I don't see anything too crazy going on with that one. Yeah, so that's why I'm doing. But I got everything cleaned out now. Decided to bring out the camera, inspection camera, to make sure I got everything cleaned up. You guys can even see me talking to you guys. Try to flip this around. There you go. Alright. Big Money Mike.